There is nothing more annoying than a car window that struggles to roll up. It groans inside the door panel, moves at a snail's pace, or stops halfway up the track. If you take your vehicle to a mechanic, they will almost certainly tell you that your power window motor is dying and quote you $300 for parts and labor to replace the regulator inside the door. Do not pay that bill. In 90% of cases, your car's electric motor is completely fine. The problem is almost always friction inside the door frame. Your car window travels up and down inside rubber-run channels. Over time, the sun dries out this rubber and dirt accumulates inside the grooves, creating a massive amount of drag on the glass. Your window motor isn't broken. It is just working overtime to fight that grip. The fix takes 30 seconds and costs about $5 at an auto parts store, but you need to be careful. Do not use WD-40 on your vehicle windows. WD-40 is a solvent that attracts dirt and will eventually rot the rubber seals, making the problem worse. Instead, you need a can of silicone lubricant spray. Silicone is safe for automotive rubber and repels water. Here is the secret mechanics trick. Roll the car window all the way down and spray a generous amount of silicone lubricant directly into the vertical rubber channels on the front and back of the door frame. Do not spray the glass itself, just the rubber tracks. Wait a few seconds, wipe away any excess from the door paint, and roll the window up and down 3 or 4 times. You will see an immediate difference as the glass flies up the track like a new car. You just saved yourself $300. You're welcome.